In this video we see how to have the TI84 graphing calculator calculate the coordinates of a local maximum or a local minimum point on a curve. To do this we'll study this quartic graph. We study this kind of polynomial in the Math Studies course in subtopic 6.5 when we study polynomials and rational functions. This is a polynomial of degree 4. For now, let's just use the calculator to find the coordinates of this, the highest location here and the lowest location down there. Using the calculator, we let's type in the equation of the graph, and next let's type in a window that makes sense for the graph. In this case it's given the minimum value of x, the maximum, and the increment here is 1, and on the y lowest value the maximum value and the increment on the y-axis is 20. So we've got that put into the window and we have the graph. In order to find the coordinates of the point which we'll call A, the local maximum, we're going to use the calculate menu that we've used in the previous video. So we press second calculate, and the point A is a local maximum, so we'll choose 4, and here we have a set of questions. It's asking us, we're looking for this point here, and it's asking us to move the cursor to the left of the local maximum. It will then ask us to move it to the right and then to take a guess. We can either do that by moving the cursor all the way along in steps, or we happen to know that this value on the x-axis is 1, which is to the left, and this value is 2, which is to the right, so I can go ahead and just type in 1 for the left bound and for the right bound 2. And for the guess, as long as I'm in between 1 and 2, the guess will be fine. So I put in 1.5, and now I have the local maximum point A. It has coordinates 1.34, 33.7, correct to 3 significant figures. To find the local minimum, I'm going to press second calculate, choose 3. And as long as I move the cursor to the left of the local minimum and press enter, and move it to the right of the local minimum and press enter, I can find the coordinates of the local minimum without having to be able to read the scale, just by moving the cursor. So now I see the coordinates of the local minimum are at 3.55 and 2.24. Again, correct to 3 significant figures. That's how to find a local max and a local min on a curve.